We have a brand new state-of-the-art endodontic clinic that we have recently built out. And in this endodontic clinic, we have new cabinetry, we have new treatment centers. The treatment centers themselves have built-in Wave 1 units, which is the system that you're going to be taught on how to do root canals. You're going to have built-in ultrasonics and apex locators in the treatment center. And in each operatory, you are going to be exposed to the use of the dental operating microscope. Each operatory will have a ceiling-mounted microscope. Now, the reason I bring this up to you is that very few schools will expose predoctoral students to the use of some of this technology. So this is going to be something that is very unique to UKCD, and we're excited to be able to expose this technology to you, because as you go forward in your dental career, this is what you're going to be using. We also have a brand new limited field of view cone beam machine that we're going to be using in a lot of our cases. And again, this is the technology that you as dental students here in the early part of the 21st century are going to be using the rest of your career.